Damn, it's that time of the year. Hey, what's good, squad? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Dylan. So, as requested, I finally decided to make a building a Civic Si video. It's been a huge journey with this FA5 8th Gen Civic Si. First car to me. But yeah, finally decided to make this video. This car has actually become my life. This is literally the high beams lifestyle. I always wanted to own an 8th Gen Si. I always wanted to modify it. I always wanted to be some sort of content creator, and this car allowed me to do everything. That was my vision, and that's what high beams is about. Anything you see yourself doing, I encourage all of you to just go for it. Build your vision. Yeah, no regrets. This car will definitely be missed, but man, it's been a huge journey. I'm happy with everything that I've done to this. So sit back, relax, go grab a snack if you can, and enjoy. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Enjoy this building a Civic Si video. So it also comes with the third brake light, like I mentioned earlier. Right here. That's what it looks like. It should look something like that. If you guys get the point. I also think I might have trouble fitting this exhaust, but we'll see. So the rear lip is now back from paint. Let's take a look at it. Jeez. It's looking mint. Super clean. So this is the final product. The shop painted this gloss black. I was gonna leave it unpainted, but it looks better nonetheless. I did get my exhaust fixed, but it still hits. That's another issue, and the third brake light will be done in a future video. for tuning.
Watch your fingers there. Put it on top of each other. Like, no, put that one on top of, yeah, there you go.
Moment of truth.
Got it!
Is it working?
Yeah.
It's working, it's working.
Press the brake, press the brake. Press the brake.
Oh!
And it stops?
and it
Perfect. How'd you know?
I can see it through my car.
I was about to say. Let's get a closer look. K-tuned. K1 Street. Look at the stance on this side. I'm not bad. So we got the Cobra front end mask. So let me pull it out. That's what it looks like. So with the hood open, now I'm just gonna slide the hood bra on. And just to look at it, this hood bra has like a soft padding on the inside to protect the paint. So I'm gonna bring out the car out of the garage, and now the moment of truth, we're gonna find out what wheels I got for the FA5. Let's get it. So take a look at the new wheels for the FA5. So for the install, we got these lugs. I don't know how to pronounce it. Project Kicks R40s, neochrome with the chrome over here. Got the ice. Jeez. So we got the ice on ice neochrome lugs with the chrome rims. These are like 44 millimeters, so they don't stick out that much on the 8s. On the by 9s, they stick out. It's whatever though.
Hey, Level. How are you? Alright, you? Good, good. Stand on the wheel. Yeah, okay.
So I made it to the shop. Today I'm rolling my fenders. I had issues with rubbing, so something I have to do. Nice and clean. Okay, so we got this product from K-Tune. I'm just gonna place it right there. So this Q300 right here is also off a FD2. So I'm going to be swapping the axle back. So I'm going to take off the N1 axle back and just swap the Q300. All done over here. Car looks good. Fronts are now rolled, the rear is rolled. So all the fenders are rolled. Now it's just time to put on the RPF ones. Alright, so the RPF ones are now on. 17 by 9s on the front, 17 by 8s on the rear. Fits pretty good, no rub. Nice and meaty, thanks to this guy.
Yes, sir.
Of course.
So this is what the side skirt would look like. Something like this. How does it look?
Great.
So one side kind of done. We drilled the bottoms, put the washer in and the bolt. It was pretty easy to drill, right?
Yeah, really easy actually.
race car stuff. Sure it's tight. And that's it. New shift knob, Hybrid Racing Maxim shift knob. Looks perfect. Yeah, this is it. Hyper Racing, man. You guys made some good products. Feels really good. Just look at that. So easy. No complaints. All done. Hopefully it sounds good. Final. Look at that. That's tough.
It's tough still.
Super fire. I actually like it.
Nice, yeah.
Clean job.